Hi Libra, welcome to Aurora Foretells. This is your monthly forecast for May 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 4 cards laid out here which will highlight the messages for May 2021. We have Emperor, highlighting the past influences. 7 of Wands as main theme. 5 of Swords in roadblocks. 6 of Cups in position, highlighting possibilities. I would also be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck once we read the messages for these 4 cards over here. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Foretells. Also follow me on Instagram for daily guidance and more oracle updates. So let's get started. I will take out one more card to get some more clarity. So we have Devil here. I see some of you taking a break from a relationship, or it could even mean a job. You may be dealing with a control freak. If it's a lover, he or she may want it their way, or they would just simmer with anger. You do seem to be in an abusive yet addictive relationship. There could also be issue with father or father figure. This could also mean issue with authority figures at your workplace. I see some kind of bullying or some kind of harassment over here. Let's move to the next card. We have 7 of Wands as main theme. I see some of you fighting against odds. With 5 of Swords here, surely a humiliating experience or a lot of hurtful words that you may need to bear. So this card basically tells you that you may need to stand up for what you believe in, fighting your corner and holding your own ground. It signifies taking the high road, maintaining control and being strong-willed. It looks like somebody is trying to be very forceful or trying to encroach into your space. It could suggest that you are under attack, you're being harassed, blamed, or even being a scapegoat. You are definitely aware of this situation and you are trying very hard to resist. So this card over here is telling you that you will need stamina to endure and fight the odds out. During this period, you can expect to see increase in haters. If you're online, you can see an increase in trolls. And overall, people may not be really agreeing with you, or they may not be coming on the same ground. So you may want to engage with somebody who can be your ally, who can provide you that support. Some of you may even have to go to a lawyer to defend yourself from any possible threat. With 5 of Swords here, they may not be liking you and just ganging up against you as you are not part of their tribe. You seem to be a nonconformist and someone who shines with integrity. I also see some of you maybe even acting as a whistleblower in the company that you work in or in any situation that you're dealing with. Whatever it is, be ready to support your argument and back yourself. Find the support system in the ecosystem that you are in. Stand firm in your conviction of what you believe in and be prepared so that others do not come heavy on you. Because it also looks like that this attack by the opposition may just catch you by surprise and you may feel inadequately prepared for such a battle. So prepare your ground, get the support system that you need before you take this head on. You may be required to be courageous and be persistent. So hold your ground, take a stand, and defend your position at all costs. Five of Swords in roadblocks is pretty much what I have covered. Let's move to the possibilities. We have Six of Cups here. I also see that some of you may be battling a dispute from the past. It could be an ancestral property or some old family dispute. Seek out for support from somebody you know in the past or somebody from your childhood. Someone who knows your side really well and can be your great ally. Whatever your outcome may be, this card also tells you to go back to basics. For now, maybe the solution may take a longer time, but don't miss out on fundamentals. That's happiness and peace of mind. Look back at the happier times in your life and take clues of what and how you wanted your future to be like. What were the strengths that you depended upon which could guide you today? What was that source of energy that you could depend upon which could really help you today? So probably go back to your childhood to find the answers. If you're single, Six of Cups predicts that you will either rekindle an old romance, fall in love with a childhood sweetheart, or find somebody in the place where you grew up. Let's take out one more card for guidance. Beautiful card. This card is telling you two things. 1. Be creative to solve your problem. 2. Manifest. Manifest the kind of life you desire. Imagine it without holding back. Act as if your dreams will really come true. Also remember that you can't please everyone. So be your unique self and work upon yourself. Be it continuous self-improvement, work on your inner peace, work on mindfulness, and work on how you can get more positive vibrancy in your life. So that's all for now. Also do check up the positive affirmations you can work upon for this month. Note them in a journal or add them in your vision board. If you like this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for updates. Keep watching. Much love.